Hey guys, Easter is around the corner, so in this video we're going to draw Jesus coming out of the tomb. So on the right side of the paper we will draw Jesus and the empty tomb in the middle and the door on the left. Coming from the top, I'm drawing his left bang and then his right bang. And let's extend the lines to the bottom to draw his face line and then draw the chin at the bottom. Now let's draw the eyes. So draw two circles and smaller circles inside for the highlights. Let's fill in the eyes except for those small highlights. Now let's draw his hair. And draw the ears on both sides. I think I should give him more hair, so I'm drawing bigger hair here. If you drew his hair nice and full in the first place, then that's amazing. Let's draw the open arm. So starting from the chin, it goes to the left and right. And draw the line to the bottom for his sleeve opening. Instead of drawing the straight line, try a little curvy line. Now draw the line that goes up and stops in the halfway. Let's draw the hand. Draw a little thumb and a round shape for the rest of the fingers. Do the same thing on the right side. Let's draw the robe. So starting from the armpit, draw a line going down and a little to the left so the robe looks puffy. Do the same thing on the right side. Now let's draw the bottom of the robe. Make the left side a little wavy so that the robe looks more flowy and natural. At the bottom, let's draw his feet. If you want to draw the toes, you can do so, but I'm fine with these simple feet. Now let's draw the shawl on the shoulders. Starting from the chin, we are going to the left armpit and draw another line under it. We will draw the wrinkles on the side. So let's erase the robe in between those two lines we just drew and draw 3 scallops. Now let's draw 2 lines on the shawl to make it extra wrinkly and draw 1 more line on the shoulder to complete the shawl. Now let's go back to the face and draw the beard. So we are drawing a circle, but let's erase the chin because the beard should be covering the chin. And draw the half circle in the top portion and a small case W for the bottom portion to complete the beard. And give a smiley mouth inside the beard. And draw the simple eyebrows. Now let's draw the tomb. We will draw the arch here and draw the bottom flat. And we will draw the round door here. Since it's a rock, the line doesn't need to be perfect. Now let's draw the light rays around Jesus. It's pretty simple. We just need to draw 2 lines in all directions like this. Now all the pencil sketches are done, so let's erase the overlapping area and move on to the permanent marker. I'm going to fast forward from now because the drawing is technically done and I'm just making the outlines black. It's time to color. This is how I colored. Please feel free to color your drawing in any way you like or follow the way I colored. Wow, your Jesus drawing came out really cute. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other drawing tutorials. Thank you again. Bye!